Hey, I'm Ruben van Vreeland. I'm the founder and CEO of BitSensor. I'd like to show you how DevOps can integrate within security. To do that, I've set up a DevOps environment. Like the cool functionality of DevOps is that we can push new features to our customers within minutes or hours. And that means we're doing deployments very often, maybe even hourly. With VAMP, I'm able to do these deployments fully automatically every hour and without downtime. I've set up VAMP to launch a hackable 1.0 application. It's the latest version of Hackable that has been audited. And at the same time, VAMP's also running Hackable 1.1. That's the newest version of Hackable. It's just been released by the DevOps teams. And audited has been audited 6 months ago. DevOps has the latest features. Now the problem is hackers will use these latest features that have not been audited to try and attack your company and get data from your application. So when I go to Hackable, this is an application we use so people can try out and hack applications. We see like the security level is medium. That means it's running the latest and greatest version. Like we also see all 100% of the traffic is going to the newest version of Hackable. So well, let's maybe try to do a command injection. Let's enter a device and see how far we can come. So hey, we got an alert. Elast alert is sending an alert to Slack. Let me show you how that works. BitSensor has been instrumented inside this application within like a few lines of code. So it's sending security events in real time to the BitSensor SIEM solution. We have a map of all our visitors, and what BitSensor does is it indexes all security events into Elasticsearch. Now in ElastAlert, we've set up alerting on every detection. We use a query to find all data points that have detections in them, and we will alert you with some basic information such as the IP address the hacker is using or the session identifier that's correlated to this attack. Now we do an alert on Slack. That's the alert you just saw. But at the same time, we're also instrumenting VAMP to redirect all attackers' session traffic to the older version of my software, the Hackable 1.0 version of my software that has been audited. And let me show you how this works. So I've done this attack. Let me browse to another page, maybe do a file inclusion. What we now see, security level impossible. So how did this happen? Let's go to VAMP. What we see in VAMP is the 1.0 version has now been instrumented to filter out all all data that's coming from the PHP session ID that matches this rule. So all the hackers' data will now flow to the audited version of your software, which means you can give all your customers, you give them the newest version of your software, but only the hackers, you downgrade them to a more secure version of your software to make sure hackers will not abuse this new functionality and will not be able to get data from your database, for example. Thank you very much.